Mate Communicate Internet Provider Review Usage Experience. In this video, I'll give you an expert review of Mate Communicate, an Australian internet provider known for its simple plans, competitive pricing, and customer-first approach. For more details or to explore their offerings, check out the links in the description below. Mate Communicate specializes in delivering NBN plans with a focus on affordability and value. Their plans are straightforward, featuring unlimited data across all speed tiers, including basic, standard, fast, and super fast options. This makes Mate a great choice for households or businesses looking for reliable and consistent internet without hidden fees or confusing add-ons. All their plans are contract-free, giving customers the flexibility to switch or cancel without penalties. What sets Mate apart is their dual service approach. They offer not only internet plans, but also discounted mobile plans through the Telstra network when bundled with an NBN service. This bundled option is ideal for families or individuals seeking convenience and cost savings on combined services. Additionally, Mate provides a seamless setup process with pre-configured modems that work straight out of the box, saving users time and hassle. Mate is an Australian-owned company with local customer support, which resonates well with users who value personalized service. Their support team consistently receives praise for being friendly, knowledgeable, and easily accessible, which is a crucial factor for anyone prioritizing good customer service. However, Mate's no-frills approach might not appeal to those who need advanced features or perks like entertainment bundles or static IP options. Additionally, while their speeds are generally reliable, performance may vary slightly during peak times, especially in densely populated areas. Overall, Mate Communicate is an excellent choice for budget-conscious users seeking simple, reliable internet with a focus on customer service. Their competitive pricing, unlimited data, and flexibility make them a strong contender in the Australian market. For more details on their plans and services, check the links in the description to see if Mate is the right fit for you.